Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos using papad. Toast each papad in a dry skillet until crisp and golden, then let it cool briefly. Layer with seasoned beans or spiced minced meat, fresh shredded cabbage, chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Finish with chutney or yogurt for creaminess and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Serve immediately so shells stay crunchy and flavors stay vibrant. Choose a filling that complements papad's crisp texture, like spiced black beans, tangy paneer, or grilled chicken strips. Keep fillings well seasoned but not too wet, so the shell stays crunchy. Add crunchy slaw or chopped onions for texture and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Drizzle a creamy sauce sparingly to avoid sogginess. Plate tacos immediately and serve with extra lime wedges and fresh herbs for a lively finish. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you like reading recipes on the go, grab the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. It's perfect for following recipes in the kitchen without worrying about splashes, and it stores all your cookbooks neatly. If this video is helping you, please like and subscribe for more simple recipes, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble tacos by starting with a thin layer of lettuce or shredded cabbage to shield the shell. Add your main filling, then sprinkle finely chopped onions, cilantro, and a light sauce drizzle. Work quickly to prevent moisture from softening the papad, and keep sauces on the side for dipping if serving later. Garnish with lime and chopped chilies for heat. Present tacos on a flat tray so shells stay intact and guests can enjoy the crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.